Good morning, guys. Headed to the property. Yesterday morning we got scaffolding again and we started the we started the soffit and fascia on the front of the house, and not sure how long we're going to be working on that. We might have to take the scaffolding back and get the garage floor done so that we can get our drywall ordered, because we want to put the drywall in the garage right away when they drop it off. So hoping they will do that and put it right in the garage. So anyways, headed to the property. Yum. So that's what we got done yesterday. There we go. Okay, I just finished our electrical, yay! I just did the last thing that had to be done before inspection, and that was attach all the wiring, and I have styrofoam to the ICF. So basically I had to drill a bunch of holes in the concrete and then attach them with wire clamps with a screw. So this is kind of what it looks like. I had to drill holes there and then attach the wire clamps to the wire and the wall. So that's what I did all the way around. So every 4 feet and then up the channels as well if we had to. So woohoo, that is done and complete. And then yesterday I had to add 2 more of the LED light boxes up there because I ordered these swivel ones to go above the fireplace, because the distance from the actual wall out to the front of the fireplace makes the lights come out further. I wanted to be able to shoot them down almost straight. I would like them to shoot at the fireplace, but we're probably not going to get that range out of these. But so I had to order these on Amazon. They're just the same brand, Nade Air, as all the other ones, so they all connect together. So we did that update. Obviously you can see the fireplace is framed out. It's got to be drywalled still. There is an electrical box there for a TV and backing for a wall mount. And then also we had to, before inspection, we had to put all our wires together with Mars and stuff that is required, and add pigtails where required. So you see here, just a little pigtail added. So now that that is complete, I get to call it for inspection and hopefully we pass. There was a lot to do and it seemed like we kept finding more and more things to do after we thought, oh, we're close to getting done, we're close to getting done. But now we are officially complete, I think. So I am going to call for inspection. Hopefully he'll come in 2 days because he's here on Fridays. It is a Wednesday. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. So wish us luck, we're gonna need it, and I will definitely update you guys when he comes. So this electrical tool belt can come off. Okay, so now I guess I gotta go help the boys and we'll go check on what they're doing. Well, guess what? We're done!
Yeah, I'm done. You're my hero, Tiffany. Good job.
So they're getting we got the bird's nest on, and now they're starting the soffit on that side, because we got this corner done and then we got to get this corner done before we can run up to the peak. You can go home for lunch. We just moved all the scaffold up into the peak. It is 8:45 at night now, and I just got back from my run. I just did a short run tonight after Damien went down because we went for a walk after dinner. But I wanted to update you on today. So I finished the electrical. We worked on some of the soffit afterwards, got the scaffolding moved before Kyle went to work. And then I came home and took Kyle to work so that I could have the truck, because I have to do a material run to get some lumber and stuff, and I was waiting for an email from Home Depot to let me know that it could be done today. So I wanted to make sure I had a vehicle because my van is still being painted and getting ready to be sold. So I took him to work, and then I actually drove about, I want to say 40 minutes to get 3 pieces of trim for siding that we needed after it was an afterthought. So I went to go get that. So then it was an hour home, and I got home. Dad finished painting the van, and then he took Damien to the beach, and we went and sat at the beach for a few minutes, and then we went home and I bathed Diesel because he was all muddy from the beach, and brushed him and all that, and got dinner ready. But anyways, off track. I called ESA, Electrical Safety Authority, who is the authority that we buy our electrical permits through, and who they do the inspections for electrical. And basically I was told that because of COVID, they're not doing homeowner inspections right now, and until reopen, which is thankfully only in a couple weeks, hopefully they will get back to homeowner inspections. As for the time being though, if we wanted to have an inspection, we would have to hire an electrician to look over our work and make sure, tell us it's up to code, and then they would be able to book an inspection. Now keep in mind, we spent a lot of time researching and learning code and doing the work ourselves just so we wouldn't have to hire an electrician. And I also paid a permit for a homeowner inspection, which is more expensive than what an electrician would pay. So keep that in mind. They, I think, only like have to pay like 100 and something, and we have to pay like up to 500. So pretty frustrating that we can't have that done for like 2 weeks, because that stops us from insulation, drywall, etc. So the plan, I think, for now is to hold off until reopening in a couple weeks. Try calling. Hopefully we can get an inspection right away. He only is in this area every Friday, which sucks because then it's even harder. And hi baby boys. Hi baby boy. What are you doing, baby boy? Huh? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you doing? Okay, you're gonna have to probably listen to this one purr, because he hasn't seen anybody all day. But so it's kind of a bummer that we worked so hard to try and get it done and in a timely manner, and then all of a sudden now we're held back again. So we're just gonna focus on the siding and soffit and stuff for a week while we have the scaffolding, and then I think we're gonna pause on that and get some machinery to do the garage floors and get that done, because I think I mentioned earlier we want to put our drywall into the garage, and we can't do that until the garage floor is poured. So that's the plan, hopefully. And then after that we'll get some scaffolding again and finish up siding while we have insulation. Hopefully after the inspection, Kyle can start insulating the house. So yeah, that's just an update. Kind of sucks, really frustrated, but there's nothing we can do about it. So yeah, thumbs up, because we finished electrical anyways, and now we're just waiting on them, which is awesome. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Bye. Bye.